How to raise kids with dogs. When your household contains both children and dogs, there are methods you can demonstrate and practice with both parties to achieve the best possible levels of safety and companionship. Sometimes the behavior of your children may indirectly bother your dog, although your children may not be trying to bother them on purpose. Regardless of whether you have your dogs before your kids, or vice versa, there are steps you can take to ease both kids and dogs into a healthy relationship. When you raise kids with dogs, you must teach them to be respectful of one another to achieve the healthiest environment possible for the entire family. Method 1. Prepare dogs for new babies. 1. Allow your dog to enter the nursery. This will help your dog become accustomed to new furniture, new smells, and a new environment. 2. Apply baby products to yourself or your dog's toys. The smells of baby lotion or baby shampoo will allow your dog to become familiar with your baby's smell before they arrive in your home. 3. Play tapes or videos of babies crying on a regular basis. This will help familiarize your dog with a crying baby so they can adjust to the extra noise when the baby arrives. 4. Introduce your dog to your baby when it arrives at home. Tell your partner or family member to hold your dog as you slowly approach the dog with the baby. This will allow your dog to sniff and inspect the baby. 5. Establish companionship instead of competition between your dog and the baby. Bring your baby along when you take your dog for walks. If your dog enjoys going on walks, they will begin to associate this pleasurable activity with the baby. Give your dog a special treat when you are required to pay more attention to the baby. This may calm and satisfy your dog when you have to nurse your baby or change their diaper. Method 2. Prepare children for dogs. 1. Show your kid how to pet the dog in a nice manner. This may prevent your kid from patting your dog too hard or hurting them unintentionally. Take hold of your child's hand, then use it to gently pet the dog. This will help your child better understand the petting process. 2. Show your kid how to play fetch with your dog. Have your kid throw toys and balls away from the dog instead of at the dog. Your kid will understand how to play fetch when the dog begins to chase the object, then brings it back for additional play. 3. Teach your child to stay away from your dog while your dog sleeps and eats. Your dog may become irritable and angry with your child if your child pesters them during sleeping and eating. 4. Scold your child if they tease your dog for an extended period of time. Your dog may become upset and uncomfortable with certain types of roughhousing behavior, such as ear pulling or jumping onto the dog while they are resting. 5. Allow your children to maintain the dog on a regular basis. This will help establish a trusting, friendly relationship between your children and the dog. Engage your children in bathing or combing your dog, or providing them with food and water on a regular basis. Tips. Reward your dog with a special treat if they have endured behavior from your children that may have made them uncomfortable, such as if the children played with the dog's food or poked the dog repeatedly with a finger. If you already have a child and are considering adding a dog to your family, choose a breed that copes well with children, such as golden retrievers or labradors. You may also want to speak to a pet store representative or veterinarian for additional recommendations on dogs that get along well with children. Warnings. Do not leave your babies or young children alone with your dog at any time, even if you feel your dog is well behaved. Your dog may exhibit violent behavior or your child could unintentionally hurt your dog.